After days of wiring, it was finally ready. Cannot believe it fired over, just that simple. So we got the bar on, looks pretty damn good. So this will mark a monumental moment. We're gonna see if this thing can move under its own power. Pretty excited. Alright, so first drive isn't going that great. We are stuck in limp mode. This thing won't get above like 1000 RPM and into second gear, so I've got to try and figure this out. So I got it sorted out. So there's one wire that I had wrong, the shift lock. Now we're all good. Oh yeah, back in business. Took the cruiser out yesterday on the highway. Temperature did creep up a little bit though. So there's the one we just removed. New genuine one has turned up. Let's throw this on. So I got the cruiser all bled up last night, took it for a really good drive, and it all seems to be really good. Let's film the outro of this video. We'll go take it for a quick cruise. Oh my goodness, this thing is amazing. It has plenty of power and it sounds unreal with the turbo. I'm loving it. So I really hope you guys have enjoyed this build just as much as I have. If you have, definitely leave a comment, smash the like button and hit that subscribe button, because that is going to be all for this video. In the next one, we're going to be doing the wiring and then an engineering video, and that is it for this project. We're almost finished. So I'll catch you guys in the next one.